Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2018 BMW X3 xDrive 30i, Premium Package Essential, in the Alpine White finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a local Alberta car with a clean, accident-free CarFax. Some of the features do include LED headlamps with the LED daytime running lights, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, this vehicle is also equipped with the intelligent safety, which includes the pedestrian warning, frontal collision warning, lane departure warning, and the blind spot detection. Light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver's seat memory seating, power liftgate, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, heated steering wheel, a 10.2-inch touchscreen display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated front seats, sport, comfort, and eco driving modes, electronic parking brake, panoramic sunroof, black interior, great condition, rear climate controls, and much more. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.